Minasan, konnichiwa. Kaycee desu. This is asking for price in Japanese. Hello everyone, this is Kaycee, and for today's video, we will learn how to ask for price in Japanese and also how to ask for a discount, especially in a flea market. So, since nagtanong tayo in Japanese, yung isasagot sa atin na price, dapat alam din natin. So, dito napapasok yung knowledge natin with numbers. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ko about numbers, ilalagay ko yung link ng video sa description box below or kaya naman, ililink ko din siya dito sa taas. So, ready na ba tayong matuto today? Let's start!
Our question is, how much is it? And in Japanese, we say, ikura desu ka? Ikura desu ka? And to break this down, we have ikura, which means how much. And then, of course, we know this one. We have des, which is the be verb. And lastly, we have ka, which makes our sentence interrogative. For the following example, please try to recall our topic on kore, which means this, sore, which means that, and are, which means that over there. If you want to watch the video about kore, sore, and are, please click on the link above for your reference. First, we say, how much is this? We know that in Japanese, this is kore. And to complete the sentence, we say, kore wa ikura desu ka? Kore wa ikura desu ka? Second example, we would like to ask, how much is that? And in Japanese, that is sore. Sore wa ikura desu ka? Sore wa ikura desu ka? For the third example, we would like to ask, how much is that over there? And that over there in Japanese is are. And with that, our sentence is are wa ikura desu ka? Are wa ikura desu ka? For the next examples, can you remember our topic for kono, which means this blank, sono, which means that blank, and then lastly, that blank over there, which means ano. If you want to watch the video about kono, sono, and ano, please click the link on the description box below. Let us now continue with the following examples. First, we say, how much is this wallet? We say, kono, and then wallet in Japanese is saifu. Let's continue. Kono saifu wa ikura desu ka? Kono saifu wa ikura desu ka? How much is this wallet? Of course, we assume that you are holding the wallet or it is within your reach. Second example, we have, how much is that umbrella? We say, sono, and umbrella in Japanese is kasa. To complete the sentence, we have, sono kasa wa ikura desu ka? Sono kasa wa ikura desu ka? Again, we assume that the umbrella is within the reach of your listener, okay? Third example, we say, how much is that t-shirt over there? In Japanese, we say, ano t-shirts wa ikura desu ka? Ano t-shirts wa ikura desu ka? How much is the t-shirt over there? Meaning, the object or t-shirt is far from you and to your listener as well. And then, of course, if we ask them in Japanese, we should understand the answer when they tell the price, right? But since we already know how to read the numbers in Japanese, we can now understand the prices. Now let's see the following samples. First, the seller said that the price is 100 yen desu. Can you guess the answer for this price? Yes, it is 100 yen. 100 means 100, remember? Just to give you some trivia, this is what a 100 yen coin looks like. It is roughly equivalent to $1 or 50 Philippine peso. Let's take a look at seller number 2. By the way, can you read the name of the stall and guess what he's selling? That's correct. He's selling takoyaki. That explains the octopus as the display. Anyway, moving on to the price, the seller number 2 said that it is 500 yen desu. Can you guess the answer? Correct. It is 500 yen. Go means 5 and again, 100 means 100. And by the way, this is what a 500 yen coin looks like. If you want to know the conversion rate of the Philippine peso, simply divide the currency by 2. So it's roughly around 250 pesos. Let's go to seller number 3. Again, can you read the product that he's selling? That's right, he's selling yakisoba. Do you like it? Anyway, the seller said to us that the price is 1200 yen desu. Now guess the price of the yakisoba. Correct! It is 1,200 yen. Remember that sen means 1,000 and then ni yaku is 200. This is what a 1,000 yen bill looks like. Lastly, let's go to seller number 4. And he is selling kakigori. This is a Japanese shaved ice dessert flavored with syrup and condensed milk. Seller number 4 said that the price of kakigori is 1600 yen desu. Try to guess the price. That's correct. It is 10,600 yen. We say 1,000 to mean 10,000, remember? And then of course, 600 means 600. And this is what a 10,000 yen bill looks like. Next, we will try to ask for a discount. And we will say, discount please. And in Japanese, we say, makete kudasai. Makete kudasai. Makete means discount, and then kudasai means please.
I hope natuto kayo sa topic natin today and sana din na-refresh yung knowledge ninyo with regards to numbers through the sample prices ng mga in-example natin. And pag pumunta rin kayo ng Japan, i-apply nyo to pag nagtatanong kayo ng price. Sabihin nyo, ikura desu ka? Ganon. Para meron kayong connection sa kanila. Kasi ma-appreciate nila yun na, ay, inaral niya yung language ko. Diba? So, yun. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below sa mga questions, suggestions niyo para sa akin. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck! Ganbatte kudasai! Arigatou gozaimasu! Bye-bye! Jane!